your ADHD child needs you to choose better responses. You're not struggling with your ADHD child because they're difficult, defiant, or broken. No, you're struggling because you're reacting instead of responding. You're getting frustrated, overwhelmed, and stuck in cycles of stress, not because your child is impossible, but because you're avoiding discomfort. You don't want to admit it, but deep down you're waiting for them to change first. But here's the truth, they aren't the problem, your response is. Why you keep reacting? Instead of responding, what you're calling parenting struggles is actually avoidance. Avoidance of frustration, avoidance of guilt, avoidance of admitting you don't always know what to do. Your child is wired differently, and that means they'll challenge you in ways you didn't expect. They'll test your patience, push your buttons, make you question yourself. And if you're reacting out of frustration, exhaustion, or fear, you're just feeding the chaos. Avoiding the hard work of responding with intention doesn't make the struggle disappear, it just builds pressure. You think yelling, nagging, or giving up will bring relief, but all it does is create long-term stress. It's like trying to put a band-aid on a wound that needs stitches. The lie you tell yourself. You tell yourself they'll outgrow it. I don't have the energy for this right now. I'll be more patient tomorrow. But that's a lie. Your child isn't going to suddenly wake up one day and be easier. ADHD doesn't disappear because you wish it would. And you won't magically become a more patient, understanding parent tomorrow if you keep avoiding the real work today. You're not waiting for the right moment. You're waiting for parenting to feel easy. And that moment isn't coming. It's simple, actually. Here's the part you might not want to hear. Parenting an ADHD child is not impossible, it's not hopeless. And learning how to respond instead of react. It's actually ridiculously simple. Not easy, but simple. All you have to do is choose better responses every single day. Instead of snapping, pause. Instead of assuming bad behavior, get curious. Instead of punishing the symptom, understand the cause. And the best part, once you start responding instead of reacting, everything shifts. Just start, even when it's hard. So how do you do this? Use the 10-second rule. Before reacting, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what does my child need from me right now? Not what do I feel like doing, but what will actually help. Focus on the smallest win. If your child is melting down, instead of trying to fix everything, just focus on one thing, keeping your own tone calm, validating their feelings, or offering one simple way forward. Ditch multitasking. During important moments, your ADHD child can sense when you're half listening. When they need you, be fully there. No more excuses. Let's tackle your excuses before you even say them. I don't have time to figure all this out. Yes, you do. You have time to scroll your phone, binge Netflix, or complain about how hard this is. You have time to learn a new way to parent. I don't feel patient enough. Patience isn't a personality trait, it's a skill you build. Stop waiting to feel patient and start practicing self-control. But my child doesn't listen. Maybe not right away, but they're always learning from you. If your current responses aren't working, why keep using them? Build momentum and change the pattern. Choosing better responses isn't about getting it perfect. It's about getting consistent. Start the day with connection instead of correction. Notice the why behind their behavior before reacting. Show them how to regulate emotions by regulating your own. Every time you respond with understanding instead of frustration, you're reinforcing the path to a better relationship. No more buts, but I'm exhausted. Do one small thing better today. That's enough. But I don't know what to do. Start with empathy. Learn as you go. But what if I fail? You will, and that's okay. You'll get back up. The truth, it's all up to you. Nobody is coming to fix this for you. Not a teacher, not a therapist, not a parenting expert. You are the one who sets the tone in your home. Every time you react instead of responding, you're choosing short-term relief over long-term success. And that's the real tragedy. But here's the good news. You have a choice right now. Every second you waste reacting out of frustration is a second you could spend leading with intention. So stop waiting for the perfect day, the perfect mood, or the perfect child. The only sign you need is this message. Take a deep breath. Choose better responses. Start now.